All right, here we got a video of a mini excavator, DK12, or yeah, DLK12. It's got the thumb on there, auxiliary hydraulics, blade as well. You can push some dirt around, dig a hole, dig a trench, do all kinds of things. This one's got a Briggs & Stratton motor. What else? That's about it. Got a couple little nicks on the blade. I'll show you. You can see from there. Other than that, looks good. I'll go ahead and fire it up. Show you how it works. Does the full 360. Okay, that's about it. Shut her down. Auction's December 16th. What day is preview day, Jace?
15.
What time?
9 to 4.
9 to 4. Come on down, check out all the items we have. Christmas sale, 9 to 4, preview 15th. We'll see you then.